Hello everyone, I am Madhrija Bandyopadhyay and today I am going to teach you about mean, median and mode, and I will show you practical using Python. So first let us know what is mean, median and mode. Mean, the mean value is the average value. To calculate the mean, find the sum of all values and divide the sum by the number of values, and in Python we have to use the NumPy module. So here I have import the NumPy module, and here I have taken a list which is named A, and I have taken different types of variable, both integer and float, because list can contain different types of variables. And here print numpy.mean. Here mean is the function to declare the mean of that list. So the mean of that list is 26.175, which is we can also calculate it by different, like first we have to add all these numbers and then we can also divide that sum by 4. If we take different numbers, it will get different type of results. Let me show you. And same. So the result has been changed with different types of list. Now come to the second point, which is median. The median value is the value in the middle after you have sorted all the values, and here also NumPy module is used. The most important thing is we have to sort all the values in their ascending order. So here I have also taken that same A value, that now the value has been changed. Let me name those as A1 and A2 just to differentiate. Same, the median function is used here. Sorry. So the median of the first thing is 6.85. So you might be thinking where the 6.85 came, because there is no number of 6.85, because there is even number of digits, so we have to calculate the middle two and then divide it by 2. Suppose here we have taken 5.7 and 8, which is 5.7 plus 8, and then divided by 2, so the median is 6.85. Now and in case of the fifth number, here though I have taken here the numbers in ascending order, 2, 8, 9, 70, 78, so here 79 will be the median. Let's check. See, 9 is the median. Okay. So now let's move on to the next part, which is mode. The mode value is the value that appears the most number of times, and to implement that we have to use SciPy module. Let's check. From SciPy import stats, we have to import that stats. Here I have taken the same as A1, then print stats.mode A. Check the output. Here I have taken every number 1 times, that's why it's came count array equals to 1. Suppose I am taking 290, then suppose 38. Now let's check the result. See, here we have 8 the most number of times, so the count of 8, which is 3. And that's all for this module. Now you may have thinking that where the mean median mode is used in real life. Mean is very much popular rather than median and mode, but all these things are used for the data processing, where we have to replace some values with the mean, median or mode value which will fit most appropriately. So for that data processing thing we have to use mean, median and mode.